गांवची समजताचे व्हिडिओ पळयतात तुमकां देव बरें करूं. All the somestas of travel with NRH, you have my dev bare karu. Basically, I'm saying that the people who are watching this video, God bless you.
I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's not about you, but I'm coming home to you.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode of Travel with NRH. And today I am at Malpe in Mangalore, at my native place, in my house. And today we are going to be going and visiting the world famous Malpe beach. I have got a lot of requests to do this vlog. I actually want to do this vlog in Konkani. I don't know why. Let's try. So we'll see you guys in some time on the road towards Malpe. So guys, Malpe beach has a lot of stuff which you can sightsee. There's a beach, there's a seawalk, there is a dock that side, and Tebma shipyards. So where there are ships and everything is built. There's a lot of ice factories. So there's one right there. There's one right there behind, because it's a beach area and there is a lot of docks and everything. So that's why there are a lot of ice factories around. There is also like वो सूखी मच्छी का भी ये आ रहा है ना, स्मेल आ रहा है ना. So prawns का सूखा मच्छी, if you've tried out, उसका भी also smell is coming. अरे हांगा obviously ये असल्यार मास. My dad says they keep the fish in the cold storage. Lots of cold storages here. So we'll see you guys in some time once we reach the beach. So guys, we finally made it to Malpe beach. Ada, what?
It is an enjoying experience.
See, इसको बोलते हैं.
Anyone should make it for this.
But compared to last when we came, nothing was there here. This was like completely empty. There were people who were coming, but now they have like made it as a proper vacation spot. The main attraction here is like there are 4 or 5 things which you can see here. First of all, you have the pretty looking beach out here. It's really beautiful. Secondly, if you want to check out stalls to eat and all, that side on the corner there they have some fish fry and all, and you get chicken and Chinese if you want to eat, if you're with your family and all. And then you have parking, ample of parking space. Actually, you have to pay and park, but the thing is it's very safe to park. There's no problems at all here. Okay, and on the beach here you have beach cricket, you have bike riding, and so that's that beach bike ride now with 4 wheels and all. And you have camel riding also there. And in the mornings you can go to St. Mary's Island. It's, I think in the morning they have those boats which come out, and in the evenings you can come out and go in the water. Water is completely very safe, and there are lifeguards on duty, and also this beach, I can say it is pretty safe to go out to. And that side, if you go to see towards my left, that side, so you have the Tebma shipyards there. That was like it's been there here for a very long time. And behind the Tebma shipyards dock, you have the main Malpe dock. I had seen one big shark. I don't know if I still have the picture or no. But I have a very old picture where I seen a very big shark which was exported to like they are put in trucks and all, and they are exported to outside countries and all. So that was a very fun experience for me too. And here they have put in new kind of umbrellas to kind of sit if you want to have a nice time. And at Malpe dock you have a lot of fishes and all. We'll be most probably will be going that side. Okay, so that's the Malpe dock, that side behind Tebma shipyards. And then beside that there is something new which has started, which is called as the sea walk. So I'm not sure what it is completely. I just came to know today itself. My sister who's staying here only in Malpe, she told me that it's very nice, you should go and check it out there. So we'll probably go there. we have a lot of ice factories here. The things which you require for fishing and basically like cold storage and all, everything is there here. आणि आमची मँगलोरची समजता जे व्हिडिओ पळयते आसात तुमकां अगर बरें लागला असल्यार हे व्हिडिओ शेअर करात या म्हजे इतली कोंकणी इतली बरी ना तरी म्हजे टपरी बॉम्बे कोंकणीन तुमकां आतां सोंसीचे पडत. सो गायज इट इज अ लॉट ऑफ फन टू व्लॉग इन दीज कायंड ऑफ प्लेसेस अँड एक्सप्लोर आउट where people have not explored. I'm pretty sure people have explored Malpe Beach because it's one of the famous beaches here in Mangalore, and I would highly recommend you guys come out here, check out the place. It's really fantastic. It's fabulous, I can say. And if you're from here only, from Mangalore, अरे एक बार तो Malpe में try करो यार. Just come here because there's a lot of activities like I didn't even know which existed. There is bungee jumping and all that, and they've introduced some more new games and all. There is boating, there is jet skiing also here. So it's really very, 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 very exciting. So if you guys want to come out here, the best route to come is first of all, if you are coming via the Udupi, the Kundapura, that highway, you have to just turn right from Karavali bypass and come straight in towards the Kalmadi Gaon and then towards the Malpe city center and all, and just come on straight. Ask anyone where is Malpe Beach. There are signs also to show you where's Malpe Beach. It's very easy. There are a lot of bus services, fast bus services. I think they are around like 10-15 bucks or something one way. And yeah, you can come out here and get your swimsuits and all. Jump in the water, go have fun. And now I won't go in the water because I have cameras and all, and I have not got my swimming equipment and all. So most probably I won't go. I'll go and check out some other places also. So I'm really very excited to do it. So guys, now we are going towards the Malpe dock. So hopefully we reach. And Dada and Natasha are laughing. I don't know why, because I'm talking in front of the camera, especially Dada. Because it feels weird to them because first time they are seeing me hold the camera and talk. How was the experience, Natasha? Malpe Beach?
It was good.
It was only good.
It was great, but I'm missing Mama.
What Dada wants to say?
It is very, very nice. Malpe Beach. You get fresh air. Good exercise.
So my dad's friend was saying that there are a lot of tourists which come out here every single day. There is a lot of rush also on the beach during weekends and all. So make sure that you come out here on weekdays because today we came on a weekday, that's why it's a bit empty. But otherwise it looks fantastic. So I would prefer you guys to come using public transport because buses are there are a lot of good fast frequency buses out here. And secondly, don't take rickshaws. Rickshaws are very expensive from Karavali bypass or from wherever you're coming. And there is no Ola, Uber, nothing here. So you're out of choices. So the best is public transport, or if you're coming by a private car or some family car, then you're welcome. There's lots of parking space out there. And the second good fact which I wanted to tell you is that here public transport is very fast. Secondly, all the bus drivers are Formula 1 drivers. Like they race on the road, and also make sure that you are like holding the rod properly if you're standing in the bus. So guys, this road which we are walking on is the Tebma Shipyards road, where there are lots of ice factories. There is Tebma Shipyards right behind there. There is no photography and videography is not allowed there, so that's why I'm not showing the shipyard there. And then Natasha, after how long are you coming?
After 2 months.
After 2 months?
Yeah, I came in November.
So I've just been informed by my dad that the Malpe dock is only open in the mornings during business hours. Now it is not open, so I'll just show you. So that side is the dock and all. Lot of fishes actually, and the majority of the fishes are exported to different countries and all, and it is also given out to different states and all to be sold. So it's the cheapest if you buy it from here, but if you go from out, then so kya? You have to pay the delivery charge also. Chal Natasha, tell numbers in Kannada.
मेरे
बोलो
को नहीं
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
नहीं आता थे और
हाँ 1 to 10 that's the best ना वापिस बोल अभी Natasha is trying to learn numbers but हो नहीं रहा है चलो वन मोर टाइम ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಒಂದು ಏ क्या गंडो 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 ये दिस इज सम प्रॉब्लमैटिक नंबर only चलो and now Natasha is going to learn some Kannada staying here for a month hopefully she learns something I only know numbers from 1 to 10 in Kannada and I don't know Tulu same ही है ना
नहीं
Acha. So Dada is also coming. So I learned it in Bombay only. And if you want to learn Kannada, there are lots of apps which allow you to learn. So guys, we are now at the city center and we had a really nice time at Malpe. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you liked it, then hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, follow us on social media. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Chalo, bye bye.